As a subscriber to the Product Design and Manufacturing Collection, you have an entitlement to Fusion 360. We're going to walk through how you can access that entitlement so you can get started with generative design. If your company has single user subscriptions to the collection and you use Inventor today, odds are you won't have to do anything. You're already a named user and you can likely just use your Autodesk ID to log into Fusion 360. It's possible that some additional configuration is required, and to do that, your contract administrator will simply need to log into their Autodesk account and navigate to the user management section. Selecting your ID as the user, they can grant access to the collection. This will automatically provide access to everything that's included, or they can specify the services that you will have access to. Just make sure Fusion 360 is selected and you're good to go. If your company has multi-user subscriptions to the collection, you will need to ask your contract administrator to specify you as a named user of Fusion 360. When they log into their Autodesk account, they'll navigate to the User Management tab, and if they have multiple options here, you want to select Classic User Management. Once here, they can add you as a user with your name and email address, and then click Edit Access. Now there's an option for assigning services associated with the collection subscription. Simply check Fusion 360 or assign all the services, and then you're set to get started. Once that's done, you can download, install, and log into Fusion 360. Once there, click the extensions icon in the top right toolbar, which will describe the different options you have for accessing generative design. Here's where you can start your 7-day free unlimited trial. And once your trial is over, you then have options to use cloud credits associated with your contract, or you can add a subscription for the unlimited generative design extension.